آپ جانتے ہیں کہ پاکستان میں عارضی طور پہ جو مدد کی گئی ہے سیلاب زدگان کی وہ صرف عارضی ہے، لیکن پاکستان کے سیلاب زدہ علاقوں میں بے انتہا کام کرنے کی ضرورت ہے اور بین الاقوامی ذریعوں سے آنے والی رقم ناکافی ہے اور مزید آنے کے امکانات بھی کم ہیں۔ افسوس اس بات کا ہے کہ حکومت پاکستان نے کوئی ایسا ڈیلیگیشن ترتیب نہیں دیا جو دوسرے ملکوں سے رابطے کرے۔ ہمارے ملک کے اندر اور باہر بہت سی ایسی شخصیات موجود ہیں جو نہایت اہم کام انجام دے سکتی ہیں۔ امریکہ ہمیشہ اپنے سابقہ لیڈرشپ کو ان کاموں کے لیے استعمال کرتا ہے۔ جیمی کارٹر، بل کلنٹن، جارج بش۔ پاکستانی حکومت کو کیا مشکل ہے کہ نواز شریف، الطاف حسین، جنرل پرویز مشرف، اعتزاز حسین اور وہ تاجر جو کروڑوں ڈالر کا بزنس یورپ اور امریکن کمپنی کو دے رہے ہیں، ان کی خدمات کیوں نہیں حاصل کی جا سکتی؟ حکومت بلا کسی تعصب اور تفریق کے ان لوگوں کی خدمات حاصل کریں اور آزمائیں کہ واقعی یہ ملک سے پیار کرتے ہیں اور ان کو ملک سے کتنی ہمدردی ہے۔
ہر جگہ ہر پل آپ کا اپنا سفیر پاکستان نظر آتا ہے۔
آج لاس اینجلس میں بہت اہمیت کا دن تھا لاس اینجلس کی پاکستانی کمیونٹی کے لیے، کیونکہ یہ پہلی بار بہت ہی میجر پریس کانفرنس جو ہے وہ آرگنائز کی گئی تھی کونسل آف پاکستان، امریکن چیمبر آف کامرس اور امریکن پاکستانی سی فورم اور پاکستانی کمیونٹی کے تحت۔ آج اس پریس کانفرنس کو کوآرڈینیٹ کیا تھا لاس اینجلس کاؤنٹی نے۔
Good afternoon. I'm Council Member Jan Perry, President Pro Tem of the Los Angeles City Council, and I want to thank all of you for joining us here today. And today we are joined by Sheriff Lee Baca, who will speak in just a minute. Council Member Tom Labange will be here in just a minute. Representatives from the Pakistani American community, as well as the Los Angeles Police Department and the American Red Cross, to discuss ongoing flood relief efforts in and for Pakistan. We have come together to underscore the severity and the magnitude of the natural disaster in Pakistan and the immediate and pressing need for more support in the region. Early estimates show that 17 million people have been affected by one of the worst floods in the nation's history. In fact, much of the affected area in the south is still underwater. Hundreds of villages and thousands of acres of crops are submerged, and waters may not recede fully for more than 1 year. In the northwestern portion of the country, the waters have receded in many of the places, and the devastation most resembles an earthquake. Bridges have collapsed, and nearly 1 million houses are damaged or destroyed. Thousands of local Pakistani Red Crescent volunteers are now distributing relief to their communities and have reached 350,000 people since the flooding started. But the need is still very, very great. The Global Red Cross and the Red Crescent Network are working with the Pakistani Red Crescent Society to reach nearly 1 million people.
So many councilmen showed up اور انہوں نے اپنے خیالات کا اظہار کیا اور پاکستان سے ہمدردی کا اظہار کیا اور یہ وعدہ بھی کیا کہ ہم امریکن کمیونٹی کو پاکستان کی مدد کے لیے تیار کریں گے اور ان کی آواز گھر گھر تک پہنچائیں گے۔
My point is Jan Perry's point, and that is we both are very, very aware of the great contributions the Pakistani Americans have made to the United States of America. And now it's our turn to help them there with this very incredible disaster, of which is the equivalent of about 100 times the Katrina catastrophe. The truth is that tens of thousands of people are displaced. America is on the front line, along with all of the various European nations, NATO, military forces and the like are all involved in the relief effort. All we're saying simply is don't forget, this isn't the news item of the week. This is perhaps the news item for the next several years, because it's going to take that much time to fully recover the losses that have occurred within the country of Pakistan.
Thank you very much. I would like to thank the US government, President Obama, Vice President Joe Biden, US Congress, US Senate, State of California, City of Los Angeles, for all the aid and financial help you are giving to Pakistan in this hour of dire need. United States and its people have always been a friend of Pakistan in its brief history of 63 years. Whenever there was a difficult time, this country and its people provided the most assistance. Pakistan is suffering from its worst natural disaster in its history. We were hit by a devastating earthquake a few years ago, and we are sort of recovering in that process. We are hit by this calamity. This flood has devastated and displaced more than 20 million people. 1/5 of Pakistan is underwater. Millions of people have lost everything and are left destitute. Houses are gone, roads and bridges are destroyed. Hospitals and schools have either been wiped out or closed in the affected areas. Livestock has been killed and crops have been destroyed in a country which is an agricultural economy. People are left faced with famine, despair, and death. They have no one to turn to. They need our help. Americans are kind and generous people. Please give whatever you can in these difficult economic times.
And now we're seeing perhaps the worst of all, which is really a once-in-a-lifetime flood in Pakistan. And unfortunately, because a lot of these other disasters came first, people are really not aware of how devastating this flood is in Pakistan. And again, floods are not things that get a lot of media attention and our own attention, but if you take some time and go on the web, either to the Red Cross site here in Los Angeles or the International Red Cross site, and see the pictures of the conditions currently in Pakistan, where people are literally floating for their existence, I think you'll get a really good appreciation for what's happened there. Basically, the area that's affected is the size of Florida, and we're talking about approximately 4 times the number of people who were affected in Haiti.
We would like to beg to the American people, all communities in the United States and also all over the world, to open your heart, look at what's going on. We need support from everybody. Thank you.
I would like to, on behalf of the Chinese Chamber of Commerce, we'd be proud to be here to support this world disaster. I believe this world is open for everyone, to support everyone. Today is unfortunately happening in Pakistan, but one day in the Los Angeles or United States, we need the other people support. We would like to open your heart to support everyone in the world. Thank you.
Well, the American public should step up, as they always have. When there's a crisis throughout the world, the American public, along with the American Red Cross, find a way to help. And I'm asking all Americans, if they can, dig a little deeper, whatever it is. Give what you can to the American Red Cross Pakistani Relief Fund. The people of Pakistan need our help. They have our love, but they need our help. And we need to help you greatly in this very traumatic experience of more than half your country underwater. So.
Yes. Are you trying to reach your friends and families and your contact and resources in here being a councilman?
Well, everybody in our position has an opportunity to send a message out. And I send a message out every week on my email to everyone, and this is the important cause of the week for the next several weeks, that we should support the Pakistani relief efforts.
मैं समझता हूँ कि आज की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस एक संग मील की हैसियत रखेगी। ये जब से ये फ्लड और तबाहकारियाँ आई हैं पाकिस्तान में, उसके बाद ये पहला एफर्ट था जो कि लॉस एंजल्स की कम्युनिटी ने किया, जिसमें काउंसिल ऑफ पाकिस्तान अमेरिकन चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स ने एक अहम और कलीदी किरदार अदा किया, जिसमें आज तकरीबन भरपूर ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस थी, जिसमें डॉक्टर महर तबातबाई जो कि फिलैंथ्रोपिस्ट हैं और कम्युनिटी लीडर भी हैं, उन्होंने खिताब किया और अपील की अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी से कि कम फॉरवर्ड और सपोर्ट द पाकिस्तान इज़ ब्लीडिंग, पाकिस्तान इज़ सफरिंग। इसके अलावा चीफ ऑफ पुलिस लॉस एंजल्स शेरिफ ली रॉय बाकर ने भी खिताब किया, काउंसिल वुमेन जैन पेरी ने खिताब किया, रेड क्रॉस, LAPD, तकरीबन हर शोबे ज़िंदगी से यहाँ लोग आए और अपने ख्यालात का इजहार किया।
हर जगह हर पल आपका अपना सफीर पाकिस्तान नजर आता है।
लॉस एंजल्स
جو امریکہ کا دوسرا بڑا شہر ہونے کے ساتھ ساتھ